Hi, today I will be unboxing Apple Watch, so please enjoy. This is the main box, which consists of another two boxes. So if you open this, you will get this, the strap and the watch. So here you will have the watch, the charging cable and the brick. It will also have instruction, which looks like this: how to open your band box, how to get started, how to pair, and all the buttons, charging and so on. So let us have a look. This is gold, I suppose. It rather look pinkish in my opinion. There you go. So this is the watch. I will try to have it on and let us see afterwards. So there you go. This is the unboxing of Apple Watch. Thank you for watching and goodbye.